Hi, welcome back. It's Trisha Fulton here, and I am so excited to give you this update. My son Tom and I have been busy working on a list of products to upgrade my office. It actually was a little bit overwhelming to choose from so many great products on the market at the moment, but hopefully, if you've watched any of my previous videos, you'll find this video and everyone going forward much clearer and easier to hear and enjoy. Here is a quick review of the tech products that we use to upgrade in 2023. You may be able to find any of these in your local IT shops or on Amazon. I'll include any links below if I have them available, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Please let me know what you think of these new upgrades and how it sounds to you. So the first thing that I worked on for my upgrade was my audio. I received a lot of feedback from people in the videos, especially one video where I was working on landing pages and the audio was really crap. No offense taken. Thank you for letting me know, because if I didn't know, I wouldn't have fixed it. These are the very old original headphones I was using. You probably have a pair of these from work. This is from my old job, and they're not so great. So now I have the new Rode mic and headphones. There's a side mic and headphones, but I've also actually purchased the podcast mic from Rode as a backup plan to test which one works better in the recordings for YouTube. These products, I know you can get them on Amazon. I got them from my local PLE shop in Perth, Australia, but you can buy them anywhere. The three things I love about these products: it's very comfortable, it's gentle on the ears, yet it's noise cancelling, so I can't hear anything outside. It only took a few minutes to set up. It has great audio for listening and for speaking, and the clarity is really nice and sharp. Now, if you're not really into tech and you're looking for something that is classic yet not a gaming type of headset, I think that you'll enjoy this one. I'm really happy with it. I think it was a great investment, and I would recommend you take a look next time you're out shopping for a headset. The next thing I upgraded was my webcam. Right now I'm recording on a LOGITECH BRIO 4K, and we did some minor adjustments to the settings. I think that the webcam video is looking really sharp and it connects really well through my computer. It only took a couple of minutes to set up, so it was really easy. The three things that I like about it: it's got a clear picture, it's easy to set up, and it's portable, which means that when I'm traveling, I can easily unplug it and take it with me, and it really only takes up the size of, I would say, a case for your spectacles for your glasses. And the next thing that we upgraded was the keyboard and the mouse. Now, I burn through tons of keyboards. When I'm not making YouTube videos or working in my day job, I'm writing lots and lots of books. So I probably go through 3 or 4 keyboards a year as I'm churning out the words and typing. So getting a good keyboard is really important, and my son finally convinced me to invest in a really high quality mechanical keyboard. It's made by KEYCHRON. We also bought this from PLE. I bought the mechanical wireless keyboard here, and I also bought a mouse that's wireless. Now, what I really love about these two particular products, other than the functionality and it's easy to use and set up, it has a cable to charge it through my computer, so I don't need any batteries. And the second thing is it's really fast and responsive. What I found with a Hewlett-Packard or some of the other generic type of brand keyboards and mouse, it would be a little bit slow, and sometimes as the wireless started to die off, it just wasn't responding quite as well. And I have also had the wired keyboards, but my mess behind my desk is enormous with all the wires everywhere. So I really wanted to clean this up and make it a little bit easier for myself so I can pick up and move as I go. Now, I've been told once I charge my keyboard up through my USB port, it will last for about 4 weeks, and the same for my mouse, which is pretty spectacular. I don't need to buy any batteries, so less landfill. The keyboard is really heavy duty. It's not going to move off my desk. It's quite solid. It's got, I would say, an aluminum or a metal casing. It's got a really nice typing sound on the characters. The keyboard is also compatible with Mac or Windows, and you can change the keys to suit whatever that type of operating system that you're using. So this is a great keyboard and a great mouse. I'm really super happy with what I've chosen and the amount of money that my son has helped me spend this week. Now, this is my partner in tech. His name is Tom. Tom wants to be an audio engineer when he leaves school. He's currently in year 10, and he is the person behind choosing the equipment that I'm using today. I had only 2 requests when I asked him to help me pick out these products. The first request is I don't want to look like a gamer. I'm a 40-something-year-old lady. I'm definitely not a gamer. I wouldn't even know how to start gaming. And the second thing is I'm going for quality and comfort. So I may not look the coolest, but I'm definitely happy and I'm comfortable. And if you're in the same place where you're actually making videos or you're talking to clients on Zoom, I'm sure you would agree when you've got a headset on all day, you really want comfort and good quality audio and mic. I hope you found this really helpful. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think, and if this video and this audio, the sound, the visuals is much better than before, I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much. It's Trisha Fulton here from Tech Made Easy, and it's lovely to see you again.